Hello everyone, welcome back to Althub. So today I have some really exciting news for everyone. Yesterday on Twitter, Across Protocol announced that they have posted a token launch proposal in their forum. This proposal is for governance and to power the Across community and fuel the upcoming Across DAO. Now I know what you are exactly thinking. When airdrop? And the answer is now airdrop. Yes, there will be a airdrop for the early contributors. Before we head to the forum page, let me tell you about Across Protocol and what issue it is solving. So as we all know that Ethereum mainnet is becoming more and more congested day by day, making the network slower and the gas fees being a lot expensive. This can lead to end of scalability. This is the reason why Ethereum is shifting from proof of work to proof of stake mechanism. This issue of scalability is being solved by layer 2 networks like Arbitrum, Optimism, zkSync and Boba network. These networks takes the transactions from mainnet L1 and validate them off-chain L2, hence the name layer 2 network. This mechanism significantly reduces transaction fees and making the mainnet accessible to everyone. The layer 2 acts different from L1 but still has the same security that of mainnet. However, if a user wants to send his assets back to the mainnet, he needs to wait at least 7 days and also requires a higher gas fee. This is the time mentioned by the gateway of these L2 networks. This issue is solved by bridging the L2 assets to L1 by giving small fee for the transaction. There are many bridges available like Hop Protocol, Connex Bridge and many more which provides instant transfers between L2 and L1 and vice versa. And one of them is Across Protocol. Across Protocol is a layer 2 bridge for transferring your assets from layer 2 network to the Ethereum mainnet. It is fast, secure and the cheapest in terms of fees compared to other bridges. As you can see here from the graphs, the cost is quite low. So let me show you guys how you can use the Across bridge. First you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. As you can see, click on the connect button. The MetaMask option will come. And as you can see, I have already connected to this site. So if you have any funds on layer 1 or if any layer 2 platform, simply connect, and as you can see there are different options: Optimism, Arbitrum, Boba, many more are coming. The zkSync and all are really coming soon. And I'm sorry guys, I can't show you any transaction right now. I don't have any ETH. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use the bridge. So guys, let's head over to the forum page and see what's there. So guys, as you can see above, there's a small scrollable box which says any user can post their idea in the proposals channel in their Discord server. As mentioned here, the team is proposing the token launch to achieve governance, tokenomics and treasury management. So in the initial distributions, 100 million Across tokens ACX will be minted, 85 million ACX will remain in the Across DAO treasury and will be reserved for incentive rewards and a future success token sale. 15 million ACX will be the initial supply and distributed in the following way. ACX airdrop, 10 million ACX will be total rewarded to the following groups: 20% to the Across community Discord members with a co-founder status who joined before March 11, 2022, 50% to the liquidity providers who pool assets and community members who refer users to the Across protocol before the token launch, 10% to the early Across protocol users who bridged assets before March 11, 2022. So the snapshot date is March 11, 2022. I hope everyone used the bridge before that date. 20% to the significant early contributors to the Across community, which later will be determined by the new ACX holder. And guys, one thing to note down that Across community Discord members with the co-founder status will not be rewarded ACX directly. Instead, they will be given a co-founder NFT which can be burned in return for the corresponding ACX. The co-founder NFT, which will be the first NFT that interacts with the reward locking mechanism. Recipients who keep this NFT will be granted status to earn additional rewards from the protocol actions at a higher rate. Individuals given this co-founder status are therefore heavily incentivized to keep these NFTs. So this is really interesting. They are giving NFTs to the co-founders, and if anyone wants the ACX tokens directly, they can burn the NFT, but they are saying this NFT will grant you some special permissions. So if you keep it, and also there is a token swap for UMA. 5 million ACX will be swapped with the Risk Labs treasury for 2.5 million worth of UMA. This achieves two goals. It gives the Across community ownership and governance power in UMA, which is critical to the security of the bridge, and it also provides voting rewards as a source of income in the Across DAO treasury. And also there will be Across Referral Program in which Across supporters can enter their wallet address and generate a unique referral link, and if any user who clicks that link can and completes a bridge transfer on across, it will attribute A6 rewards to the referrer. Again, it's just like any other referral program which you create your unique ID, and if any user goes through that, you get rewarded as same concept. Another interesting thing is that if any of the community member who has earned ACX through the mentioned above three actions, the actions are these three, and he will be allowed to mint a reward locked reNFT, and each wallet can only have one reNFT, and even if actions are multiplied, so this single reNFT will represent the details of actions performed and accumulate A6 rewards. In order to claim these rewards, the community member must burn their reNFT, and instead he chooses to keep these rewards inside the reNFT. The reNFT will acquire status and increase the rate at which additional rewards can be earned. So this is a good thing. If you hold your rewards in the reNFT, it will keep on growing. This is a good thing. Once the reNFT is burned to claim rewards, any multiplier and status obtained is immediately erased, and each unique reNFT will have a reward locked multiplier determined by how long a wallet has held their unclaimed ACX reward. So depending on how long you are holding your rewards inside your NFT, the multiplier, as you can see, it keeps growing as the number of days you held also keeps growing depending on that. And guys, now the game goes on a completely another level. So the reNFT which you are getting, it can be further used as a with a well thought out user interface and user experience to make it better like an actual game. It is similar to a RPG where users can earn special NFTs or items for reaching certain milestone. So your reNFT can be used as a game card. As you can see, they have shown an example, the welder. It has strength, stamina, armor, attack, magic, mana. This is really cool, man. I think this is the most unique and coolest concept of game I've ever seen a DeFi project, and it's the one which excites me the most. So that's it for guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do comment down below what are your thoughts on this and which was your favorite part about the proposal, and subscribe to my channel and do share it with your friends. Thank you.